pick out the urn for him.
Oh my God.
Because she hadn't cremated. I had to have her.
You know how bad that was.
She's sending the email pictures of
This
the
is
urn.
Marco.
Which urn for the, you know, this.
Oh my God.
What do you
Pretty
think
Marco.
about this urn? Oh, it was. She was in bad shape.
Well, you know what?
That bird talked and sang and everything.
Chris's her cockatiel was so the cat wouldn't get him. He was in my bedroom, and I woke up the one morning and I saw him on the bottom, and I knew he was gone. I thought, oh God, she's getting ready for work. Should I wait till she comes home and not ruin her whole day, or should I tell her right now that
Pretty Marco.
You waited?
No.
Pretty
no.
Marco. Marco's a pretty boy.
Sometimes she put him in a
Marco's
jar
a
in the
pretty
freezer
boy.
Until she had a chance to
Oh,
get
come
up,
on.
you know,
Come on.
that cemetery.
Yeah.
Come on.
That's so sad. I mean, this bird talked like anything going. I come over to see her and I could do those wolf whistles, you know. Woo, woo, and I say, hi, Peppy, how are you? And
Oh,
everybody
you're
clapped.
such a pretty boy.
And he would sing.
Oh, Marco's such a pretty boy.
He used to go, and then he'd go, happy birthday to
Are you
you.
done?
Happy birthday to you.
Are you done
Like
talking?
with the you, real. And he'd
Okay.
sing that.